We've been in existence for almost 15 years now. Because of our extensive operations in the fishing harbor, we were into rental of cold stores. We are taking some on long lease and some on short lease. And we thought it wise that with our experience and with our number of years of staying in the industry, it was very expedient that we operate a cold store of our own. And that gave birth to the decision to construct a modern cold store that actually befits our status and our standing in the industry. Basically, the major challenge in the cold store business is funding. We are into both wholesale and retail, which requires that at any particular point in time, we have a very wide range of stock of various products, various brands, various parts of chicken, beef, pork, turkey. And that requires that we hold a large stock at any particular point in time, so you'll be able to meet all the demands of any customer who will call at your cold store. And that requires that you need to raise a lot of money to be able to keep that stock. That has been our major problem. The challenge building a cold store, the major challenge that we had was funding. All right. We wanted to put up a cold store that could take care of our needs today, tomorrow, and the next. And that meant that we needed to do something that was a bit expensive. So we actually set out to look for a developer or a contractor who could also help us raise some funding. Preferably, we were looking for funding that was outside Ghana because of the cost of the funding. And so CCT name came up. We had discussions with CCT. They said they could assist us get some funding from Germany. When we assessed the cost associated with the funding, we realized that it was far better than other funding options that we were receiving. And so with the help of CCT, the finance team, we were able to close a deal with Accra Bank. And that was really the breakthrough for us as far as the funding difficulty was concerned. We've been working with CCT all through from the beginning of the project, together with Accra Bank, the fund providers. And it has been very cordial, it has been very smooth. CCT is always available to help should there be any issues with Accra Bank. They are prepared to step in to facilitate a smooth resolution of the issues. So far it's been a smooth journey, and we are looking forward to this journey coming to a very successful completion. So in our decision to do a cold store, we had to do the best in terms of technology and in terms of efficiency. Efficiency, especially in the consumption of electricity. One of the major costs in this industry is electricity consumption. It's one of our biggest expense items. And so setting out to do a cold store, we had to weigh all the options and see which of the options would help us save a bit on the cost of electricity. We realized that the ammonia system was going to help us in this direction. Then also we also realized that the ammonia system was a bit easy to manage as against the Freon system, because the ammonia system just have one system unit which service all the other units, as against the Freon that a room could have as much as 3 or 4 different system units for just a room. And so the ammonia system, we realized, was simple, was efficient in terms of cost, and easy to manage. That was the main considerations that made us decide to go with the ammonia system. And currently, I think that we are looking forward to exciting times when the cold store starts, because we're going to use the ammonia system. The cold store business only thrives on very, very efficient cold store systems. Without that, the quality of the products would be in question. It's very necessary that businesses invest very well in very quality cooling systems, because that is what attributes to the quality of the products. If the cooling systems are not good, it would affect the quality of the products and eventually lead to serious losses for businesses. We would encourage every business not to negotiate on getting quality cooling systems in their cold stores. Whether it is rental or ownership, let's insist that the cooling systems are up or top-notch in terms of technology, and they are very efficient to be able to make the goods cool very well, then also to get them in the best of conditions for our customers' consumption. Our journey with CCT has been very smooth so far. One of the things that we have benefited with our partnership with CCT has also been the very good technical advices that we have been receiving from them from the onset till now. They give you a lot of options. They open up all the issues for you to make a very good choice and decision. We would advise that if anybody wants to go into cold storage construction, they should look into CCT solution. And I think that it would benefit them, and eventually their investment will pay off. What we are offering is very different from what persists in the system now, because our cold store comes with a modern technology that can help to facilitate the better storage of all the products that our customers would have. We are going to make sure that we put for rental a cold store that would preserve the goods the best way possible, then also to make sure that the technological advancement that we put into this cold store would make working in the cold store very easy, very efficient, and very smooth. Setting out to do a new modern cold store, we had two major objectives in mind. First, we sought out to get a cold store that would be big enough to take all our stock, a cold store that would offer the efficiency that we need for the storage of our products and also for the staff and the customers. The second objective was also to put for rental a cold store that is above all the other cold stores in the Tema Fishing Harbour in terms of technology and efficiency. Currently, that is what we are hoping to achieve with the completion of the cold store. We will be using half of it to run our business, and the other half will be used to rent out to other operators in the cold storage business. We are looking forward to becoming the first choice of call when it comes to rental of cold stores because of the technology that we have deployed into the construction of the cold store. And we hope that in about 5 years, if anybody wants to get a cold store to rent, our new cold store will be the first choice of call. Then also, our customers will enjoy the freshness that comes with our products because of the efficient cooling systems that we have installed in our cold store. Thank you.